This is HearClear. HearClear is a two-way communication system designed to amplify the voices of both the server and their customers in restaurants. HearClear was created as a solution for servers and customers in restaurants that are not able to effectively communicate. Restaurants have been steadily growing louder, making communication difficult, and the COVID-19 pandemic has just made the issue worse. While masks are great for preventing the spread of COVID, they reduce the volume of the wearer's voice and remove key visual components of speech. Trying to communicate with soft and muffled voices in an already loud environment has led to frustration, with some servers going as far as pulling down their mask and getting close to their customers just to be heard. Servers needed a better way to communicate with their customers that didn't put themselves or their customers at risk of catching COVID. HearClear is the solution. The customer's voices are amplified and routed directly to a headset worn by the server, and the server's voice is amplified and routed directly to a sound exciter mounted underneath the table, effectively turning the entire table into a speaker for the customers. HearClear works by using 3 low-cost parabolic microphones. HearClear uses parabolic microphones because they pick up the server and the customer's voices without capturing a lot of the distracting background noise that is ever present in a restaurant. One microphone captures the customer's voices on the left side of the table, another microphone captures the customer's voices on the right side of the table, and the final microphone captures the server's voice. The server and the customers can maintain a safe distance from each other, and masks never need to be pulled down. HearClear was designed with both customers and servers in mind. HearClear doesn't change anything in the customer's experience and strives to make the controls as simple and intuitive as possible for the server. The control panel only has 4 controls. The headphone jack is where the server plugs in their headset. The side selector switch gives the server control of which side of the table they're listening to. The volume knob gives the server control over how loud their voice comes through so that it can be easily adjusted to whatever the noise level in the restaurant requires. And the last switch lets the server turn their microphone on and off. When the server walks up, all they have to do is plug in their headset, choose the side of the table they want to hear, and turn on their microphone. To switch sides, all the server has to do is flip a switch, and when the server needs to talk, their microphone is already on. When the server is done at the table, all they have to do is turn off their mic, put the side selector switch into the neutral position, and unplug their headset. HearClear is a system that seeks to be as COVID safe as possible, efficient for busy restaurant environments, and augment communication between servers and customers. To accomplish this, inexpensive wired headsets were selected for the servers. This allows restaurants to give each server their own personal headset, allows for the servers to quickly move between multiple tables with ease, and adds very little new surface area that needs to be sanitized. Here's a demonstration of HearClear being used to take orders. Hi, my name's Luke. I'll be your server. I see they've already gotten you guys drinks. So miss, what would you like to eat tonight?
Can I get spaghetti?
Now, did you want red sauce or white sauce with your spaghetti?
Red sauce.
Sir.
Can I have shrimp scampi and a salad for the tip?
Salad for the table. Would you like house dressing with that?
Yes, please.
'Cause you know we do have ranch.
Ew.
I think house.
House dressing, gotcha. Miss, how about you?
Can I have the fettuccine alfredo, please?
Now, did you want breadsticks with yours?
Sure.
It comes with extra breadsticks, you know.
Okay.
Is that going to be enough for you?
Yes.
Okay, extra breadsticks, got it. You said extra, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Making sure the system's working. And finally for you.
Can I get the lasagna, please?
Lasagna. Do you want to make that family style?
Sure.
Sure. Okay, family style it is. Adventurous.
For all Sharon.
Did you guys need anything else before I go?
Can I have another water, please?
Water. Got it.
I'm good, thank you.
And finally for you guys. Anything else?
Some extra napkins, please.
Napkins. I'll get right on it. All right. I'll let you guys know when the food's out.
Thank you.
Now that you've seen what HearClear is capable of, hopefully you can see why HearClear is the better and safer way to dine out during these unprecedented times.